How do you fix Tides of Tomorrow is crashing on Steam? So first you want to right click the game in your library and then open up the properties window. Now in the launch options you want to add -dx11 like this. Then go to installed files and verify the game files. Once this is completed you can close Steam. Next you will need to go to this website to install the redistributables. The link is going to be in the description. From the second table here you will need to install the 86 and the 64, both of them. And once you finish installing redistributables, it will ask you to restart your computer. Now, after the restart, you will need to check if you have the latest GPU driver updates. For NVIDIA, you will need the NVIDIA app, and for AMD, if you're running AMD, you're gonna need the AMD software. And from drivers here, check for the latest driver and make sure to install it. And the last thing you'll need to do is run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your Steam library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.